What's going on, guys? So I am out here at the dealer open house show in Elkhart, Indiana, specifically at the Forest River area. And what you're looking at in front of you is definitely not new to the channel. Well, this one right here isn't. This is the one I did a long-term evaluation on. I had it for like over a month. And now they have some new floor plans. So they have this version, and this is the XC21.4. And then they have the single axle version back there. So we're gonna quickly film both of these, see what they're all about, and see what's changed. So I still love this huge pull-out area. Nice prep area, huge grill combination. You got your Truma, freezer, refrigerator in here as well. You have your cool little portable sink that you have, little sprayer port, and all of this slides into there. You also have an air compressor with a tank, and I believe it's like a 12-gallon tank. And really nice capabilities to be able to raise this custom MORryde suspension. So this whole chassis is an aluminum chassis. There is no wood at all inside of a Palomino PAUSE. That is really cool. So all aluminum MORryde chassis, MORryde independent air suspension that you can adjust 12 inches. 12 inches of travel. That's absolutely insane. I love the fact that they put this down here so you have a nice really outside area to eat. You have a window you can pop up. They use the dual pane acrylic windows as well. The Palomino PAUSE is arguably one of the best built RVs that you can buy. They're just absolutely amazing. I love this storage area. So this is new. On the model that we did, which is over here, you have this big closet in the back, but you really didn't have any of the storage area because the basement was used by the big drawer here. But this one gives you a tremendous amount of space right here, which is really nice. Very cool. You have your little track boards down here as well. They're the Tread Pro boards. Let's hop inside and see what this is all about. I can already tell from looking right here that this is likely a bunkhouse floor plan. Let's climb up and in. All right, so you have the same flip over bed right here, which is really nice. You basically fold this down. This can jackknife into actually this pillow folds all the way over, and I think this turns into a bed as well if you want. But then this folds out over it, and you have like a queen size bed here. Windows everywhere. I mean, you have all these windows. Again, dual pane acrylic windows are really nice. All aluminum cabinetry. That's funny. You have a huge single basin sink down here. Nice sprayer. Furrion 3-burner cooktop. Furrion oven. Nice drawers as well. Something the other unit was lacking. You really didn't have any drawers. Right here you have your, this may be convection, I'm not sure. I don't think it is convection. But you have a microwave right here. You have a good sized TV right across from it in a really nice aluminum custom cabinet. Then you have a desk right here. This is super cool. So you have a desk that actually overlooks this space out here. And if you don't want to use it as a desk, you could simply use it as, you know, another eating area, maybe an area that your child can do their homework on, things like that. But that is really nice. I could actually see my daughter eating her cereal right there. You have this really cool Garmin system which controls everything inside of the RV and outside. So that basically does everything from monitoring your batteries, and I believe they're running Victron on here with Battle-Born batteries. A lot of solar on top of this unit, and this is going to give you the ability to control your suspension, to be able to raise or lower it, turn all your lights on or off. Basically manages everything about a Palomino unit, or this Palomino PAUSE unit. This is your camera system, so it has cameras all the way around it, so you essentially have a security camera system when you're inside, and you have a reverse camera system or backup camera whenever you're outside. I like how they put PAUSE right here. Nice solid surface countertop material. Cool little drawers, all soft closing drawers too, and they're all aluminum. Bunkhouse, that is really nice. So I can definitely see this area being used a lot, especially if you have kids. Very nice. If you don't have kids, it's just a great place for storage. Now the difference between something like this, I believe, and what you might see with a wood unit is if you don't want to use this for bunkhouse storage, you may not be able to remove this. And I don't know how hard it would be. So for instance, if I wanted to put a bicycle or something back there, and I just wanted the top bunk, I don't know how easy it would be to remove that. You have your huge Everchill 12-volt refrigerator, and this looks bigger than a 10 cubic foot. Okay, something really cool about this Everchill refrigerator is that it's completely reversible. So you can open it from this side, and then you can close it, and then you can actually open it from this side as well. I mean, I've never seen that before. It's really cool. All right, bathroom. Really, really nice bathroom. Porcelain foot flush toilet. A lot of space in here. This is really cool. Encore one-piece shower. You have a multi-head sprayer right here, which is really nice. Nice bowl. I mean, this is just a really, really cool design. I can absolutely appreciate what they've done here. You have some storage right here as well. Very cool. What do you guys think? All right. So I think I need to get an opinion of the crew. Okay.
Look at us.
Yeah.
Okay.
Activity book.
No, thanks. I can color.
All right.
All right. So we've assembled the crew into the sofa, since I'm sitting on the chair over here. So we'll start with Tyler, aka Jake, since I keep calling him Jake.
I mean, this thing's unique. You can tell every little detail of design, especially on the exterior, was thought about and was made for a certain person out there. You can tell the quality is nice. Everything looks really good. I like it. I'm a fan. I think it's unique. I would give it like 7.5 and 8.
Okay.
I really like it. I like the vibe it gives off. I like the off-roadiness. I like the sturdy ladder on the outside. Like you said, everything's got a purpose. There's plenty of space on the outside, so where some lack in the kitchen with room, there's actually a shelf on the outside, so if there's too many people, like a little cramped right now, probably wouldn't eat like this. I could go outside and have more room for my elbows while I'm eating, so 8.
This is truly one of those trailers, I think, that's meant to spend more time outside than inside.
100%.
You know, you buy it knowing that.
100%.
Yep.
Tom's got an important question.
Where do I put the bike, Jay?
So on the back, was there not any room for a bike?
No, there's like a little mud room back there with the batteries. There's a ladder up to the roof, but I didn't feel brave enough to go up there myself. Heights are where I kind of draw a line.
Just hand me the bike and I set up the roof.
Yeah, we'd have to figure out a spot for a bike. And I think, I'd have to ask him, but I think there was plans to put something on the front where you could hang it off of the front. Kind of like the Let's Go Arrow thing that you guys carry. No, but that's actually a really good question. Maybe you could put the bike in this area, like right in the living area, but is that really where you want to secure it, you know?
Yeah, no. I think for the right person, like the points we've made, it's a 10 for sure for the right person. But for myself, like an 8, just like where to put my bike. It's a little cramped. When I do want to spend time in here, I want to be comfortable while I do it. This almost seems like a one-person camper. I know they have the bunks for kids, but it's really tight.
This is something, for us, we had that unit right there for, I think, about 2.5 months, maybe. And, you know, we have a 43-foot fifth wheel as well, and we ended up taking the pause out more than we took our fifth wheel out because it was great for those day trips to the beach. And you guys have lakes where you're at in St. Louis, right? But where I'm at, it's the beach, and I could tow this out there. We could set it up, and we'd have a blast because we would be at the beach, and then we would simply come back into this. And we got so much sand in that unit; it was kind of insane. But we never felt it was a big deal with composite floors, all aluminum, everything, and it really was nice as kind of like this portable shelter that we were cooking in. We could enjoy with air conditioning when it got too hot, or if you were sitting inside, you could open up the windows. It was just really, really nice, and we got a lot of use out of it because of that capability. If I was going to be using it as like a mountain biking thing, yeah, you're right. Bringing stuff with you, kayaks, things like that, this might not be the right one for you unless you load those in your vehicle, right? Maybe the bed of your truck. So for what we use this for, which I think is what the intended purpose of this is, those crazy trips that you can take it out to places you just can't take other RVs, I got to give it like a 9. I'm totally cool with a lot of the things. My challenge with it is because they went aluminum on everything, it doesn't give you as much space. Like in drawers, the drawers aren't as big, you know. And I don't know if that's a limitation of aluminum or just how they manufacture the drawers. But things aren't quite as deep. You don't have as much interior cabinet storage space. I think this and this are pretty much your only space. He just uncovered a hatch down there. It's a magnetic hatch. It's designed to come off. But there's not a tremendous amount of storage like that, even though things look like storage, because you have them under your legs as well. And I don't think those are drawers. I think they're hatches as well. No, they are drawers. Okay, so you do have some storage drawers down there. That's your fuse and breaker panel. So, yeah, I don't even think it looks like a drawer, so interesting. Watch out, though, if you step on it, because it's down now. It's deployed.
I'm trying to keep my feet away.
But yeah, I'd have to give it like a 9. I really like what they've done here. More than anything, I like the fact that they've created this in the US as a product that was designed to defeat everybody else quality-wise. The fit and finish on this unit is exemplary. Yeah.
It's a beautiful unit to see in person. Like, yeah, the color here, I love the little solid like green that
Yeah.
they have here everywhere on the outside. It's a really cool looking unit.
Yep, really agree with that. It's so different than what you expect to be manufactured in the US, and the quality, the fit, finish, everything, but you pay for it too. These are not inexpensive, and they're not lightweight, so you need to have the right tow vehicle. But very cool, yep. Anyways, guys, I sure hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't had a chance, please take a moment, subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up. We'll talk to you again very soon.